Hi everybody, it's Krzys here, and in today's video we're going to talk about my challenge what I done while I was training for my first triathlon. Challenge of 30 days, yoga, sun salutation. Let's get to it. Quite a long time I really want to start to train triathlon and do a challenge for myself, which I done it in Cardiff, and it was lots of training, swimming, cycling, running, lots of stuff. So I get myself a challenge to keep my body, with all of the amount of the training, keep my body stretched and mobile. And one of the things which I really love about yoga is the simple sequence of sun salutation, which I learned a long time ago. And even now I always give my clients this little sequence just because it's a great little sequence of moves which mobilize and stretch the body. And it doesn't take really long time. One sequence takes about like 1 minute. And if you do something regularly like that, it's definitely keep your body more mobile, more stretch, and better and healthy. So with all this training, I gave myself a challenge. I'm gonna spend every day, and I do the sequence 3 or 4 times a day, before bed or early in the morning. Depends when I find my time. And I just want to show you what I done, how I done, and what's the results. Because with everything, it's about the consistency of what you do, and that's what is important. So sun salutation, it comes from yoga, and it's just sequence of postures to warm up, strengthen, align the body. And the sequence might be considered as a classic ones. There are various other ones, additional moves in there, but I would just keep it basics and something what I just started and build up, which has worked for me. I'm not a yoga expert. I done a couple of classes, and I have now a routine for myself, which basically works for me. It's a sequence of a couple of moves, which is just perfect for align and warm up and stretch entire body. So have a routine like that. It's excellent to keep your body aligned and mobile throughout the day. Whatever you do any sports, or you just after whole day at work, it's just good to have a routine like that. And stretching is excellent things you can do for the health of your body. So stretching increase the flexibility, increase the range of motion, improve performance on physical activities, improve posture. It's great for stress relief and helps to heal and prevent any pains in the body. So if you move through the sequence rapidly, so it's one move after another, and in the beginning what I do, I just start with just a warming up, and every move I start with 5 breaths, and with second sequence I'm moving a little bit quicker, and the third and the fourth one, if we do move just one move after another, because body is already warm up and ready for the nice lower sequence. And thanks to the daily routine I had, it helps me to keep my body flexibility and to help me keep maintaining my training without any injuries. So I would really recommend you to give it a try. It's a 30-day challenge for you. So let me know in the comments if you're up for the challenge, if you had been doing already. But in 30 days from wherever you start, give it a try and see the results, because they were really amazing. Not only I can see my flexibility, my performance, I just felt really good.